The United Nations Conference categorized a large group of countries as SIDS. SIDS stands for Small Island Developing States. They were put into this category because of their vulnerabilities to social, environmental, and economic failures. The SIDS comprise of 52 UN and non-UN members, such as Bahamas, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Belize, Saint Lucia, and along with 46 other countries. These SIDS are located along three major regions: the Caribbean, the Pacific, and the AIMS, also known as the Atlantic Indian Ocean, Mediterranean, and South China Sea. Trinidad and Tobago, being a small island developing state, is susceptible to natural disasters. These natural disasters, with its destructive forces, are oppressive and stressful for the country, as it is difficult to control the devastating effects, and as a result, the country is left with highly damaged areas. Industrial engineering meshes engineering knowledge along with managerial philosophies and communal concepts to minimize the design and efficiency of unified systems of people, materials, information, equipment, and energy. The knowledge of industrial engineering can be utilized to improve the country's resilience against the effects of natural disasters. In Trinidad and Tobago, the disasters mainly faced are flooding and landslides. This occurs as a result of heavy rainfall, deforestation, poor agricultural land practices, and poor infrastructure. Additional vulnerability factors are constructing residential or commercial buildings on flood and landslide-prone areas, where there is no proper foundation or drainage implementations, lack of education and personal safety on causes and mitigation measures that can be used to reduce flooding effects. Other factors include poverty, unemployment, debt, along with deforestation, quarrying, and pollution. With the efforts of industrial engineers and the ODPM, together they strive to minimize and prevent these devastating effects by educating the public about these natural disaster risks and to formulate a proper disaster preparedness plan. In some special cases, financial aid from the government, whether that be for persons to improve their property by building more resilient homes or recovering from such disasters, would assist. Industrial engineers can provide improved design and more efficient plans for building proper infrastructure and preparing property to minimize or prevent such disasters from occurring, such as constructing proper drainage systems and retaining walls. To help decrease the occurrence of these disasters, the government should create and enforce policies regarding proper land use and pollution which will address the maintenance of sustainable development and building codes when constructing structures. Disaster monitoring can be improved by increasing access to telecommunication links and satellite facilities along with damage assessment and the exchange of information.